Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a new tool used for information gathering. The tool name is Metagoofil. Metagoofil is an information gathering tool designed to extract metadata from public documents. It searches for documents like PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, and PowerPoint presentations that belong to a target company. Here's a quick overview of what it does. It searches for documents, downloads files, extracts metadata, which can include information like the author, creation date, and location. Here I am showing the syntax of Metagoofil. You can see this syntax. Here -d is for domain you are targeting. -t represents file type we are focusing. We can add multiple file type, like PDF, PPT. -l is for limit, which represent how many files we need to find. -n for directory to save file. -f is for save finding to a file, that could be HTML file or text file. At first we will install Metagoofil in Kali. Let's see how. To install by the methods which I am showing. You should have internet connection in your Kali machine. Now let's see how it works. By using Metagoofil -h, we can see the syntax of Metagoofil. By using -d option we can add target. To set delay for each search we can use -a. Here I am adding 3 seconds. To save files we can use -f. We can save our search result in HTML or text file. To save an output to a specific location we must use -o, then location path. -n says how many files to be downloaded. Here it's 100. -t says the file type we are targeting. Here it's PDF and text file. If I add -w, it will download files into the machine. It will take a little time to download all files. You can see in the location I have given. The files are downloaded. We have downloaded PDF and PPT files from target website.